Hey guys, we're gonna be showing you how to make a website. So first off, you have to have a Google account to do this. And if you see this 3x3 array in your right corner of your screen, you have to be on a Google product. You scroll through all of these, and if you don't see Google Sites, then go to More from Google, and then go down until you see all products and scroll down until you find sites. And then you can click a blank to make a new site. And just do this. I'm just going to do this. And if you want to type, then just do this. And if you want to upload an image, click this. And pages, if you want to make a new page, well, then you come here. You can add a sub page. It'll still be in the page. And you can also make a brand new page by clicking this and type this, whatever. And then for themes, you can do this or this. Choose the colors that you want. And yeah, you can customize it however you want. And if you want to do a YouTube video, just type in this. And then you can just put it here. And yeah, I hope you guys found this video helpful. And yeah, bye.